Sample SVGs are located in the SVG_samples folder. After downloading SVGTOGO from the Asset Store and importing, a new menu item will appear in the Unity Editor Assets menu. Select Assets. Select SVGTOGO, SVGTOGO. Select the SVG to import and click Open. To import the SVG to a folder containing separate SVGs, select SVG as the conversion type and click Continue. The SVG import method is useful for importing assets for future use. This method is slower and can produce a large number of files. Please notice that a directory is created for the SVGs. Please notice that each SVG element is now a game object. Please notice the metadata component. All the included samples are fairly small. Without SVGTOGO SVGs that are large or have many elements, like the ShadowAndVVWorkshop logo, we will get an error: vertex array is too large. A sprite mesh may not have more than 65,535 vertices. With SVGTOGO, large and complex SVGs are better to import as a mesh. Select Assets. Select SVGTOGO, SVGTOGO. Select the SVG to import and click Open. Select Mesh as the conversion type. The mesh import is useful at runtime for dynamic asset creation. The mesh import method is faster, but offers limited layering and ordering. Simulate order with layers will try to preserve the element layers. Simulate texture will create SVG files for elements that contain texture. This is useful because Unity's SVG mesh importer does not currently support displaying textures. The DPI setting allows for more flexibility and limited scaling. The meta tag option allows you to pass through SVG attribute values to Unity for later use. You can choose all, none, or just one specific SVG attribute value. The all option will use more memory in Unity. This time we will choose none to save time and disk space. Meta tags are useful to link your SVG element to critical business data. Click Continue. If the image doesn't look right, try reorienting the scene view. The runtime mode offers the same setting. Please see the documentation.